Alright guys, our subject is irrational numbers. We're gonna define irrational numbers. Okay, let's get to it. What are irrational numbers? If I can take you back a bit, in our last video we defined rational numbers. We have said rational numbers are numbers that can be written in a form of a fraction. Numbers that can be written in a form of a ratio. That means numbers that can be expressed in a form of A and B. A being an integer and B being a non-zero integer, meaning that B cannot be equal to 0. So if a number can be expressed in this form, in a form of a fraction or in a form of a ratio, that number is a rational number. So now with the rational numbers, with an irrational number, an irrational number is a number that cannot be written in a form of a fraction, meaning in a form of A and B, in a form of a ratio. So that is what an irrational number. Okay, we're gonna do a few examples like the square root of 0.25, 0.2, 0.7, 0.8. We're gonna punch them on the calculator and then we will discuss and check like how to determine if a number is an irrational number or a rational number. Okay, let's check. Alright, let's start with the square root of 0.25. You see, the square root of 0.25 equals to 0.5. So now let's check if 0.5 can be written in a form of a ratio. We do that by pressing the ST button. You see, we get a 1 over 2. So that tells us that the square root of 0.25 can be written in a form of a fraction. Therefore, 0.25 is what? A rational number. Then let's check another number. The square root of 2. See, the answer is like 1,41421356237. Now let's check if this number can be written in a form of a fraction. Again, by pressing the ST button. You see, it takes us back to the square root of 2. That tells us that this number cannot be expressed in a form of a fraction. Therefore, the square root of 2 is an irrational number. Okay, let's make another example. The square root of, let's say, 7. 7, 2,64575131106. And then let's check if it can be written in a form of a fraction by pressing ST button. You see, it takes us back to the square root of 7. This tells you again that a square root of 7 is an irrational number because it cannot be expressed in a form of a ratio. Okay, now, alright, thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe so that you'll be notified when new videos have been uploaded. Thank you.